You've been using your iPhone completely wrong, and no one ever told you this. If I show you right now 10 secret iOS features that can literally save you hours, protect your data, and completely transform how you use your phone, would you still ignore it? Because here's the truth. 99% of people have a powerful iPhone in their hands and use it like a basic phone. Today, you're about to discover what Apple doesn't clearly explain and what can completely change your experience. Stay until the end, because number 1 is absolutely insane. 10. Back tap. A secret button on the back of your iPhone. Did you know you can control your iPhone by tapping the back of it? Yes, this is real, and almost nobody uses it. With back tap, you can double or triple tap the back of your iPhone to trigger actions like take a screenshot, open the camera, turn on the flashlight, run custom shortcuts. Now, let me ask you, how many times have you missed a moment trying to open your camera fast enough? With this, you fix that instantly. And here's the crazy part. You can set it to open anything. Imagine tapping twice and instantly opening WhatsApp, recording audio, or activating a hidden mode. But wait, because the next feature is so powerful, it could actually save your life. 9. SOS mode and automatic emergency. If something happens to you, your iPhone can literally call for help. By holding the side button plus volume, you activate SOS mode. But here's what most people don't know. You can set it to automatically call emergency services, share your real-time location, notify specific contacts. Now think about this. If you were in danger, would you have time to unlock your phone? This feature could be the difference between life and death. And the next one will make sure you never lose important text again. 8. Undo typing with a simple gesture. Did you just delete something important by accident? Relax. No need to panic. On iPhone, you can literally shake your phone and undo what you typed. Yes, it feels like magic. And it gets better. You can also use 3 fingers on the screen to undo, redo, copy, paste. Now tell me, how many times have you lost something important because of a small mistake? This alone can save you hours, but the next feature will make you feel like a hacker. 7. Hide photos with real protection. Everyone knows the hidden album, but almost no one uses it properly. You can hide photos and protect them with Face ID. But here's the advanced trick. You can completely disable the hidden album from showing up, meaning no one even knows it exists. Now think, if someone grabs your phone, will they see everything, or do you want full control? And the next feature can help you focus like never before. 6. Custom focus modes. This isn't just do not disturb. It's a full system. You can create different modes for work, studying, gym, relaxing, and each mode can block apps, allow only certain notifications, change your home screen, activate automatically based on time or location. Now answer honestly. How many times did you grab your phone for something quick and ended up stuck for an hour? This feature fixes exactly that, but the next one feels almost illegal how useful it is. 5. Text from images, live text. You can copy text from any image. Yes, any. Photos, screenshots, signs, books, notes. Just point your camera and copy. Now imagine this. You see a password, a number, an address. Instead of typing everything, you just copy it. Simple as that. This saves an insane amount of time. But the next feature feels like something out of a movie. 4. Measure objects with your camera. Your iPhone has a hidden measuring tape. With the Measure app, you can measure height, measure width, calculate dimensions, all by pointing your camera. Now think about it. You're buying furniture. Will it fit? You can figure it out in seconds. No ruler, no tape measure. But the next feature will completely change how you see privacy. 3. App Privacy Report. Your iPhone can show you who is spying on you. Yes, literally. With the App Privacy Report, you can see which apps access your camera, who uses your microphone, who tracks your location, where your data is being shared. Now be honest, do you blindly trust every app you use? Maybe you shouldn't. And the next feature is pure genius. 2. Secret automations, shortcuts. This turns your iPhone into an automation machine. You can create actions like, when you get home, turn on Wi-Fi and open Spotify. When you plug in your charger, enable low power mode. When you open an app, block distractions. All automatic. No tapping needed. Now, imagine your phone working for you. This changes everything. But number 1 is the most insane of all. 1. Invisible touch. Advanced assistive touch. You can create invisible custom gestures. Yes, like having a secret button. You can program actions like tap sequences, complex commands, hidden shortcuts, and the best part, you can automate almost anything. It's like having a secret control system that only you understand. Now think, if someone picks up your phone, will they know how to use it like you do? Or are you playing at a completely different level? Now you've seen features most people don't even know exist. But here's the real question. Are you going to keep using your iPhone like everyone else? Or are you finally going to unlock its true power? Because this was just the surface. And what comes next, most people aren't ready for.